This particular channel makes millions of views just by posting talking fruit video. And yes, this is based on health niche. And as a new YouTuber, the health niche should be one you should consider. Take a look at the views. Take a look at the views and look at the number of subscribers this particular channel has. There are many creators like this that are making money online just by posting talking fruit videos. And today, I am going to be teaching you how you can make your own talking fruit videos with absolutely free AI. Remember, we don't gatekeep here. Meeting me for the first time, I am your YouTube big sister. Don't fail to subscribe so that you won't miss out on any of our tutorial. Now, let's dive in. The very first step is what? Prompt generation. And the AI app we'll be using for our prompt generation is ChatGPT. Yes, this particular app is what we use for our prompt generation. So I already have my prompts ready. So I'll just simply copy and paste. So this is what ChatGPT gave us. Yes, I asked you to give me 5 motion prompts with different talking fruits. If you're interested in the prompt, just click on the link in my description box. It will take you to my Telegram community. Then you can now access the prompt. Okay, ChatGPT gave us 5 prompts. You can tell it to make it 10, 20, depending on the number of prompts you need. So it gave us 5 prompts. So after this, we will have to tell ChatGPT to include voice over script for this, right? Because we want to make our fruits to talk. We have to tell ChatGPT to include voice over script for each of the fruits. Just follow me gently. This is very easy to generate. Then it should be about healthy living and advice, right? Then we just click on this particular icon and let ChatGPT to perform its magic. Now we have our prompt and we have our voiceover scripts. Yes. So the next step is to generate our images. Yes. So the AI app we'll be using is called Leonardo AI. You can access it through your Chrome browser or your Play Store. You can download it if you wish. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to be making use of our Chrome browser. Then you have to sign up with your Google account or your email account. And yes, this is it. You tap on it. You tap on Get Started. So this is what the interface looks like. Leonardo AI gives you free credit every day for your image generation. And if you have been following me for a while, you notice that I use this mainly for my image generation, right? So we just copy the prompt that ChatGPT gave us and we paste it here. So we just paste it and we have to change the aspect ratio to 16:9 because this is the recommended aspect ratio for YouTube. Remember, YouTube. Then you now click on generate and allow it to generate your image for you. So our image is done generating and as you can see, it followed our prompt. The next step is to copy the second prompt. This is for the banana. We copy and paste. So it has generated our second image, which is the banana. And as you can see, it followed our prompt, everything we asked you to do. So the thing is this, you have to click on it and you have to save it. And this is how you will continue until all your images are generated and downloaded. So the next step is to animate our images. Yes, we have to animate our images or give life to them. We have to copy our voice over script. Yes, then the free AI app we'll be using for our animation is Grok AI. I always recommend this tool because it is free and very generous. I've not seen any AI app that is as generous as Grok AI. Yes, so we have to copy this. Yes, and let's go over to Grok AI. So if you don't have Grok AI, you can access it with your Play Store, right? Then we now have to go to Imagine here. Then we have to bring in our images. Let's take strawberry, the first one. Then we have to put in our prompt. Then we have to click on this arrow and allow Grok AI do its magic. So our image is done animating. Let me play it for you guys to see.
I am strawberry. I may be small, but I'm packed with vitamin C to help your body fight infections. Hello, I am strawberry.
Okay, this is it. This is how we continue until all our images are done animating. We have to bring in our second image and animate it, and voila, our videos are ready. That we are done animating our videos, the next step is to edit, to merge all of them and to edit. And the editing tool we'll be using is InShot app. Yes, you can use CapCut, you can use Edit, or any editing app of your choice. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be making use of InShot app. So I just have to tap on all my videos and merge and edit them. So you have to change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Remember, this is for YouTube. You can add your text if you want. You can add animation, right? You can add animation. You can add anything you want to make your video come out perfectly, right? So I'll play it for you guys once I am done editing.
Hello, I am strawberry. I may be small, but I'm packed with vitamin C to help your body fight infections. Hello, I am banana. Feeling tired? I'm full of potassium and natural sugars that give you steady energy. But here's my advice. Don't skip meals. Balance your plate with fruits, vegetables, protein, and whole grains. Avoid too much processed sugar.
Hello, I am orange. I shine bright because I'm rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. But healthy living isn't just about vitamins. Drink enough water daily, reduce sugary drinks, eat fresh foods instead of overly processed snacks.
Can you see this, guys? This is so beautiful. And this is what you can try in your leisure, anytime, any day, with complete free AI tools. So if you're interested in the prompt I used for my image generation, comment prompt in the comment section and I will send you the link to my Telegram community so you can access my prompts. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also comment the next video you would like to see on this channel. I am available for one-on-one coaching and collaboration. You can contact me through my email in my description box. Until I come your way next time, stay safe and bye-bye.